Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install QuickBooks Desktop step by step. If you're completely new to QuickBooks, don't worry. Just follow along and you'll have it up and running in a few minutes. First, let's understand what QuickBooks Desktop is. It's accounting software made for businesses to manage income, expenses, invoices, payroll, and financial reports from a computer instead of a web browser. Step 1 is to check your system requirements. QuickBooks Desktop works on Windows computers. Make sure your PC has at least Windows 10 or newer, a stable internet connection, and enough storage space. Close any open programs before you begin the installation. Now, open your web browser like Chrome or Edge, and in the search bar type QuickBooks Desktop Download and go to the official Intuit QuickBooks website. Always make sure you're on the official site to avoid fake or unsafe downloads. Once you're on the QuickBooks Desktop page, you'll see different versions like Pro, Premier, or Enterprise. Choose the version you purchased or the one your company uses. If you bought QuickBooks already, you should have received an email with your license number and product number. Keep that email open because you'll need those details during installation. Click the Download button. The website may ask you to select your country, product version, and year. Choose the correct options, then click Search and Download. The QuickBooks installer file will start downloading to your computer. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the QuickBooks Setup file. If a security message pops up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. The QuickBooks installation wizard will open. First, agree to the software license agreement, then click Next. Now, enter your license number and product number exactly as shown in your purchase email. Click Next again. You will now choose the type of installation. If you are the only person using QuickBooks on this computer, select Express Install. This is the easiest option for beginners. If you need to set up multiple users or advanced settings, you can choose Custom and Network options, but most new users should stick with Express. Click Install to begin the installation. The software will now copy files and set everything up. This may take minutes. Do not turn off your computer during this process. Once the installation is finished, click Open QuickBooks. The program will launch for the first time. You may be asked to activate QuickBooks. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in with your Intuit account and complete activation. After activation, you can either create a new company file or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, choose Create a New Company and follow the setup wizard to enter your business details. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed QuickBooks Desktop on your computer. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.